What if I told you that just 1 minute of planking every morning could transform your body in ways you never thought possible? It sounds simple, right? But this unassuming exercise is a powerhouse that engages your core, tones your muscles, and ignites your metabolism. Whether you're a fitness newbie or a seasoned athlete, committing to just 60 seconds of this challenging move can pave the way for incredible improvements in strength, stability, and overall health. As you hold that plank position, you're not just working out, you're building endurance, improving posture, and even enhancing your mental resilience. In this video, we'll explore the profound effects that a daily 1-minute plank can have on your body and mind. Get ready to uncover how this brief yet powerful routine can help you sculpt a stronger physique, boost your energy levels, and set a positive tone for your day. You won't believe the difference just 1 minute can make. The importance of core strength. Let's explore why core strength is so essential. Your core isn't just about having defined abs, it includes all the muscles around your torso, such as your back, sides, and hips. This area is vital for nearly every movement you make, whether you are walking, lifting, or participating in sports. By dedicating just 1 minute to planking each morning, you effectively target these crucial muscles. Strengthening your core improves your balance and stability, making everyday activities easier and reducing the risk of injuries. With a strong core, you will find that lifting heavier weights at the gym becomes more manageable, and daily tasks like bending or reaching feel much simpler, all thanks to the solid foundation that a strong core provides. What 1 minute of planking does. Committing to just 1 minute of planking every morning can lead to noticeable changes in your body. While planks are fantastic for building core strength, they do much more than that. When you hold a plank position, you engage various muscle groups, including your shoulders, arms, and glutes. This means you're toning multiple areas simultaneously, which makes your workout time more efficient. If you choose to include variations, such as side planks or planks with arm raises, you can further challenge your body. These variations require more stability and control, leading to better muscle endurance and strength. By incorporating planks into your daily routine, you not only enhance your core but also improve overall fitness, making it a powerful and versatile exercise for everyone. Top benefits of morning planks. Let's break down the top benefits of including a 1-minute plank in your morning routine. Improved core definition. Planks target all major core muscles, including the transverse abdominis, rectus abdominis, and obliques. Strengthening these muscles helps you achieve better stability and a more toned midsection. Reduced risk of back injury. Regularly practicing planks can help strengthen the muscles around your spine. This support reduces the risk of injuries, especially in your lower back, making everyday activities safer and easier. Metabolism. Boost. Planks are efficient in burning calories. When you strengthen your core, you help increase your resting metabolic rate. This means you'll burn more calories even when you're not exercising, which is especially beneficial if you spend long hours sitting at a desk. Better posture. Good posture is essential for overall health. Planking strengthens the muscles that support your spine, helping you maintain proper alignment. With better posture, you'll not only look more confident, but also reduce discomfort in your back and neck. Enhanced balance. Strong core muscles are crucial for balance. By incorporating planks into your routine, you improve your stability, which can help in various activities, from sports to daily tasks. Increased flexibility. While planking primarily strengthens muscles, it also helps improve flexibility. Holding the plank position stretches your shoulders, collarbones, and hamstrings, promoting better overall flexibility. Mood booster. Physical activity, including planking, releases endorphins, which are natural mood lifters. Starting your day with planks can help reduce stress and anxiety, setting a positive tone for the day ahead. How to do a plank. Performing a plank correctly is essential for maximizing its benefits and avoiding injury. Start by getting into a push-up position with your hands placed directly under your shoulders. Your feet should be hip-width apart, and your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. It's important to engage your core muscles right from the beginning, which means tightening your abdominal muscles as if you were preparing for a gentle punch to the stomach. This engagement helps maintain the stability of your body during the hold. As you lower yourself onto your forearms, ensure your elbows are directly beneath your shoulders, bending them at a 90-degree angle. This position not only supports your upper body, but also allows you to maintain a strong and steady posture throughout the exercise. Once you're in the plank position, focus on keeping your body in a straight line without letting your hips sag or rise too high. This alignment is crucial because it ensures that you're effectively working your core and not placing unnecessary strain on your back. Breathe steadily, inhaling through your nose and exhaling through your mouth. If holding a plank for 1 minute feels challenging at first, that's perfectly okay. You can start with shorter intervals, like 20 or 30 seconds, and gradually increase the duration as you build strength and endurance. As you progress, try to concentrate on engaging your core muscles and maintaining control throughout the hold. This focus not only enhances your workout, but also helps you develop better body awareness, making it easier to transition into other exercises. Remember, consistency is key. The more regularly you practice, the more improvement you will notice in your strength and stability. Incorporating a 1-minute plank into your morning routine can transform your body and boost your overall health. With just this simple exercise, you'll enhance core strength, improve posture, and even elevate your mood. So why not give it a try? Commit to 1 minute of planking every morning, and you'll be amazed at what your body can achieve. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and share your plank experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe for more fitness tips and inspiration.